Hi, my name is Zadorozhnaya Anna. I'm a Russian watercolor artist and Schmincke ambassador. Today, in this video, I will show you the series of supergranulating paints produced by Schmincke, and I will explain why they are so perfect and why I love to use them. Supergranulating watercolors by Schmincke are the part of the HORADAM professional range of watercolors and include 25 colors that are grouped into 5 series. Forest consists of huge diapason of greens, from cold to warm ones. Deep sea are blue and green colors, perfect for painting seas and ocean. Glacier, cold and fresh colors that are really good for painting mountains and ice. Galaxy, deep, very beautiful shades of violet, pink and colors suitable for painting space and galaxy. Tundra, dusty and very complex shade of nature. In production of these colors, Schmincke used the principle of combining at least 2 pigments that has been used in Schmincke watercolor paints before. But in this series, these pigments are specially selected. The main principle is using the natural properties of pigment. So the selected pigments are highly granulating by themselves, but they are combined to look harmonious together. Several paints, for example forest gray or glacier green, fall apart into several pigments. This idea to combine natural granulating pigments is unique. There is no alternative to such watercolors on the market. All paints in the series have highest possible light fastness, 4 and 5 stars, and are mostly semi-transparent or semi-opaque. All series are available only in tubes. They are rather big, 15 ml, and these tubes are sold separately. If talking about smaller tubes, all the supergranulating watercolors now are available also in sets. Set consists of 5 ml tubes of each series. It's packed in the cardboard box and it's illustrated with my paintings. These watercolors allow to create really crazy and very beautiful watercolor washes. I will paint a landscape using only these paints. In the process, I use paints from different series. It's Glacier Blue, Galaxy Brown, Galaxy Violet, Galaxy Blue, Tundra Orange and Forest Olive. I chose these colors because blues are my main working colors. Purple looks very nice in washes. I need orange and brown to get neutral shades, and green is great for painting the forest. These paints are supergranulating, so they give extra texture. The final granulation depends on many factors: the texture of the paper, the amount of water you are using, the density of the paint itself. And I honestly think these paints paint on their own. Just look at the texture that is created with a single wash. Supergranulating paints can be used not only in their pure form, as I do now, but also as a great complement and extension to main line of professional watercolor paints Schmincke HORADAM. Paintings where granulation was used tend to be viewed up more accurate and close, because that granulation effect is what really makes a difference in the final perception of the painting.